you ask for. It should be something that should be available to every individual without any prejudice. So with these words, I, on behalf of JNV Haflang family, stand gratified and poised enough to share this platform of a country who is standing mightier with its 79th year of independence. And also extending my honored mention to Principal Sir, his family members, staff members, the chief guests for today, and my dear students. First of all, good morning to all of you all. 79th year of nerve-wracking challenges, 79th year of remarkable growth, 79th year of being united in diversity, and 79th year of embracing the national tricolor of our country, our Bharat. My dear students, the speaker for today, those who spoke today, already have mentioned about the history and significance of why we need to celebrate Independence Day. So my task becomes a little more responsible, where I today will not tell you about the freedom fighters and their contribution. We already know, and this is the day of remembrance. Rather, I would like to drive you all towards understanding the legacy that we need to carry as sustainable generation of citizens. I hope everyone knows that this year, Independence Day celebration is based upon the theme Naya Bharat. Naya Bharat का मतलब होता है New India. So now it becomes our responsibility to curate that Naya Bharat that we want to aspire in the future. है ना? तो कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हमारे मन में आने चाहिए कि 79 years of struggle में इंडिया ने क्या कुछ अचीव किया या क्या कुछ देखा. यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ गलत बातें या गलत चीजों को जानना जरूरी नहीं है. इंडिया हैज स्ट्रगल फॉर 79 years और आज मैं या तुम इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे खड़े होकर स्पीच देने के लायक बने हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इंडिपेंडेंस. सो सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आज मैं ज्यादा स्पीच को लंबा और बोरिंग नहीं बनाऊंगी, बस कुछ चीजें बोलना चाहूंगी. The thing is that did India achieve anything in the sector of education? So I will be stating one example. One more thing is, what about our defense sector? Okay, the next thing is about women empowerment. Now here I don't stand as being a woman and talking about women empowerment, but this is very, very important. Most people generally think that still we as women or females don't have that empowerment. So I'll just give you one example of the defense sector. Recently, India launched the very remarkable in the history of defense, that is Operation Sindoor. I hope everybody knows about it. Do you all know about it? Do you all know that this movement was led by two women? Who are they? Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vomika Singh. Women leading from the front line is a starting example that we have come across a lot. And we cannot just stand for wrong feminism here. Next, you must be knowing that today India has beaten so many countries and become the 4th largest economy in the world. Although recently India has been blown by a lot of tariff, लेकिन India इससे निकल जाएगा. I am very sure about it. एक और चीज बोलना चाहूंगी बच्चे लोगों को कि एक ही चीज तुम्हें इंडिपेंडेंस और ज्यादा इस इंडिपेंडेंस की लेगेसी को आगे बढ़ाने में मदद करेगी. दैट्स एजुकेशन एंड ओनली एजुकेशन. वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग द लार्जेस्ट सेक्टर्स ऑफ इंजीनियर्स एंड IITs एंड एटसेट्रा. एक और एग्जांपल है, शायद पता होगा सभी को, कि इंडिया recently participated in the International Mathematical Olympiad which was held in southern coast of Australia. And you all will be very happy to know that we ranked 7th position out of 110 countries in that participation. And it was the 6th International Mathematical Olympiad where India bagged 6 medals with 3 gold, 2 silver and 1 bronze. So अगर हम इतने सारे international platforms में अपना representation दे सकते हैं, तो हमें ये जानना जरूरी है कि एक ही चीज हमें इस चीज को आगे लेके जाने में मदद करेगा, and that's education. ठीक है, तो I hope कि तुम लोग ये सारी चीजें, value system, core value system, respecting our elders, these all are part of the independence. Okay, we often westernize or copy the West, right? Most of us listen to English songs. Do you all listen to Western songs? Any K-pop drama fan out here? I hope we all have it. I myself listen to a lot of English songs, but the magic that we have of being into a classic Indianness that cannot by westernization. So you as students need to understand कि हमें क्या protect and preserve करके रखना है. West को copy करो, western fashion पहनो, लेकिन अपना traditional classical चीजें हमें नहीं भूलना है. इसको हमें आगे लेके जाना है, क्योंकि हमें इंडिया को आगे लाना है, ना कि पीछे खींचना है. So बस हमें ये समझने की जरूरत है that whatever color, whatever creed, whatever caste, whatever community you belong to, whether whichever state you belong to, whether we are from Arunachal or from Ladakh or from Gujarat or from the extreme south, one thing is that we need to develop an ideology that we all are Indians and the blood of patriotism should run in our veins. You give me one reason why we should be pessimistic about being an Indian, I'll give you thousands of reasons of being optimistic for our country. So with this, I wind up my speech. Happy Independence to everyone and Jai Hind.